Welcome to the Auxwall Software tutorial. In this video, we will learn how to add bank accounts and taxes in the Auxwall Gym Management application. First, press the club button from the dashboard. Next, choose the Bank Account tab. In this window, you can see a list of existing bank accounts. To add a new bank account, press the Create New button. In the pop-up window, fill in the following fields. Enter the bank name, account holder, account number, IBAN number, SWIFT code, and bank address. Once done, press the Save button. To update bank account details, simply double-click on the row and amend the data as needed. After making changes, press the Save button to update the information. If you wish to delete the account, double-click on the bank account, press the Delete icon in the top right corner, and confirm the deletion.